To set up a voicemail in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open our phone dialer. Next step is to click on those three lines in the top left corner of the screen and move into the settings. After that we'll be able to find the voicemail right here. We can select it. Then choose the voicemail for the SIM card. If you have two SIM cards, they should be available right here. Choose whichever one you like. Then there's all of the settings for our voicemail. There's notifications that you can adjust right here, so you can turn them on and off for the voicemails. You can enable floating notifications, change the specific sound for it, enable or disable vibration, and adjust if you want to see them on your lock screen. Next step is the voicemail visual. If your carrier does support this feature, then you can use it, and that way you'll get visual voicemails. And if you're not sure about that, then you can call your carrier, but in this case I don't have it and I cannot enable it, so I guess you will have the same if you don't support, if the carrier does not support it. Now let's go to advanced settings. Then we can change our service if you have this option right here to different carrier, and there's also option to adjust the voicemail number. So enter your voicemail number right here. This is most important, and when you're done, your voicemail will be set up. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.